was in events for over 25 years, and when I couldn't find software that was both efficient and easy to use, I designed my own. That's what makes eTouches so unique. We're event planners creating software for event planners. We're passionate about what we do because we've been there. Our clients loved it, we loved it, and over time, others started to ask about it. The industry took notice. In 2008, eTouches, the event software company, was born. From our very first module, eReg, to our comprehensive suite today, our goal was to create one centralized, powerful solution, versatile enough to make any size or type event better.
eReg is our very first product. We call it the heart of our software. It's a powerful event registration, e-commerce, and reporting engine.
eSocial takes the headache out of arranging meetings by automating the process of identifying and matching up delegates before, during, and after live events.
As an example, eSelect is really changing the future of speaker management. What used to be a very laborious process handling award submission and speaker selection is now a very simple one.
Take eMobile. It's a game changer, both in terms of being an affordable mobile app for events, as well as a fantastic user experience. And it's a great example of where we're headed.
Think of it as a website creator where you can display, market, and promote all your event content.
We're excited about what we do and where we're going. Take the virtual tour to get a closer look at our products.